Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your Robinhood account statements. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and see your Robinhood account statements. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click onto your Robinhood app. Next, on the bottom right-hand corner, you want to click on the profile icon. Next, on the upper left-hand corner, you want to click on the hamburger icon. And then from here, you want to go ahead and scroll down and click on reports and statements. So from this page here, you can either see your account activity reports or you can see your monthly statements. So with that being said, go ahead and click on the type of report which you want to go ahead and access. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your Robinhood account statements. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.